Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like something you are interested in, please be sure to subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my false lashes. So I have a few tips and tricks on how I apply my lashes and what makes them really easy for me to do. I don't use any tools, I just use my hands and just plop them on. I usually just cut that part out of my videos, and a few of you have been asking me to do a focus video on it, so this is that for you. And without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is eyeliner, because eyeliner is going to help mask any gaps you may get. So I'm just going to zoom you in and do my eyeliner. So this eyeliner is on its last legs and it's on its way out, but it's going to get the job done for today. So as you can see, I just created a short liner look, nothing too crazy, nothing too much, just something to hide the lash band. So now that the liner is done, the next thing we're going to do is measure the lash onto our eye to see if it needs to be trimmed or not. Personally, I have really big eyes, so I never really need to trim my lashes, but sometimes I just like to trim off the excess in the front and like back of the lash. Like you see that little plasticky bit poking out. Yeah, so sometimes I like to trim that, but generally I don't really need to trim my lashes. But we're going to measure it for the purpose of this video. So yeah, as you can see, it fits nicely. Like obviously this is not properly stuck on, it's just to see the size. And usually you see that if it's too long, I'm going to show you what it looks like if it's too long. So for demonstration purposes, I've just moved the lash outward, and usually when it's too long you can see that it's just like usually hanging down on the edge, and it just makes your eyes look a bit more droopy. And you know, we want to use this to lift our eyes, not to make our eyes look droopy. So so if it is too long, you just trim off from the outer edge. But as I said, I just usually trim off these excess pieces on the end because they usually stick into my eye and I hate it. So I'm just doing that now. So now I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. This is latex free and it's a brush on lash glue, so it's really easy for beginners. And you just put on a little bit of glue on the lash band. Try not to put too much because then it can get goopy and disgusting. So you just put a little bit, then you set the lashes to the side so they can have a bit of time to dry and get a bit sticky, because if you try to put them on straight away, it's just going to be too wet and they won't stick to the eye. But once they have time to dry down for a bit, they are a lot easier to put on because they just stick straight onto the eye, and you know, that's what we want. So now in the meantime, while those lashes are drying down, we're just going to put mascara on, and this will help the lashes blend with our natural lashes. And also personally, I like to put mascara on because it helps me see my lashes better, so I know how to avoid them. So now I'm just going to take that lash and try and put that on. And you want to make sure that you do this in front of a light. Like I think doing it in front of a mirror is the best, because you're able to see if you're putting it in the right place or not. The light that's coming straight ahead is going to help you. And also you want to hold a magnifying mirror, and you want to hold that below your face downwards. And you want to, and when you're holding your lash, I don't really use applicators because I find it more scary to put my lashes on with an applicator than with my hands. So I'm just going to bend the lash like backwards so I can just avoid my lashes and sit them right on top, if that makes any sense. So I bend my lash backwards, I come from an upward angle, and I'm looking down into my mirror. So it makes it easier because my eyes are lowered I don't know, everything is just easier this way. So my camera died while I was putting on this lash, and I didn't want the glue to dry, so I just quickly put it on, and now I'm going to demonstrate this lash for you. So as I said, you look down into your mirror, you carry your lash at an upward angle, and you just place them behind your lashes. I feel like this one's going to be harder to demonstrate. Let me do it facing this way. Well, this lash did not cooperate as much as the first, but such is life. And that is that. The lash is on, and you can feel free to like pinch your lashes together so it sticks down. I just always touch around to adjust and make sure that the band is stuck to my eye. You want to make sure you don't get them on your lashes, so make sure, as I said, hold them at an upward angle and go behind your lashes. Sometimes I would curl my lashes so that they flare out upwards a bit more. I just use this to curl them sometimes before I put them on my eye, because trying to curl them with them on my eye is scary, and that just makes the lash a bit more wispy, but I didn't do that today. But I have a pair of lashes here, and I'll use that for demonstration purposes. So these are like old gunky lashes. I'm just going to show you how I usually curl them. So I'll take the lash band and take the lash curler and just go like this. And then as you can see, the lash is a lot more lifted. So yeah, that was that. That is how I apply my lashes. Very quick, very simple, very easy. And yeah, I hope this helps some of you out. And if you need any other types of focus videos, please let me know and I'll be happy to oblige. So if you like this very quick and easy video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you do like this video, because that really helps me out. And also leave me a comment down in the comment box, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video.